In this recording, I'll show you how to take your calendar and attach a document to the calendar. So if you're having a meeting and you want to disseminate your agenda prior to the meeting, or if you have, if you're using the calendar for your pacing guide and you want to attach some materials. So the first thing you need to do is we need to make sure that we have the ability to add attachments. So we have to go over to, well, first I'm in calendar. Then we have to go over to our gear over here and choose labs. And we need to make sure if we scroll down that event attachments is enabled. There's lots of other labs available. Labs are things that Google is testing out right now, and they could stay forever, they could go away, they can change, but they're just little things that make the application work easier. For example, one of my favorites is the jump to date. I like to enable that one, click save, and then it'll appear on the right side that I can jump ahead to any date. So instead of having to use this calendar to scroll through, I can just click on the jump to date. Okay, so what I want to do is I've already got this, let's say this is a meeting right here. And I've invited some people to my meeting, but I want to attach an agenda. Now, the agenda can either be in your drive or be saved on your computer somewhere. So I go to my event that I've already created, and down here I have this option that's Add Attachment. When I click on it, it's just like attaching something to an email. If it's in your drive, it'll show up here. If you're going to upload it from your computer, you follow this wizard. It's just like attaching an email. Here's my agenda. I'm going to click select, and my agenda is now attached. If you use a document that's in your drive, you need to make sure that it has either been shared with the people that you've invited to your meeting or event, or is public for anyone on the web to see. That's what this little blurb is telling you, to make sure that people have permission to view them. And once you saved, that will always be a part of your event. If I invited someone to my event, I'm going to invite myself. When I add it to myself, okay, it should be going. Let me jump over to my calendar over here. When I click on it on my calendar, I now see the attachment that is there. So you got to make sure that you enable it in your labs, and that that you have the document available for everybody to see. Good luck.